Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to low brightness in PC quickly and easily so you can make your screen more comfortable for your eyes. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen and open Settings from the menu. The Settings option allows you to control different features of your PC, including display and brightness. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on System to open Display Settings. The System section contains important options related to your screen, sound, notifications, and overall device setup. Step 3. Make sure you are in the Display section on the left side. The Display tab controls screen resolution, orientation, and brightness settings for your monitor. Step 4. Under Brightness and Color, move the brightness slider to the left to lower the brightness. Adjust it slowly until the screen feels comfortable for your eyes, especially when working at night or in low light. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.